How to reset Facebook default setting. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can reset Facebook default setting. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Facebook in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Here Facebook does not have a direct option to reset the Facebook default setting in one step. However, there are some other settings that we have to adjust in order to reset our settings back to default. So once you're on your home page, you have to go to your settings. For that, tap on your profile with the three-line icon at the top right corner and now tap on settings. So once you're under the settings, now you could head over to privacy checkup and go through each section. So under tools and resource, tap on privacy checkup. You will land on this kind of interface. Now you have to go through each section, tap on edit and choose your preferred settings, or in order to set it back to defaults, you can either choose only me or friends. So first of all, we have who can see what you share. If you tap on it, here you have an option to edit, whether it's your personal information or profile. If you want to edit your audience, tagging or blocking, then tap on continue. Now here you can adjust it. Tap on next and you can view all of your settings. If you want to change your audience, tap on the first option and here you can either go with only me or friends. If you go back, same with other options, scroll through it and then see your settings that you want to set it to default. Now you can check on another section as well. You can go towards how people can find you on Facebook, your data settings, how to keep your account secure, and your ad preference. If you want to adjust that, you could go through that and then do that as well. So here it says how people can find you on Facebook. If you tap on continue, and here you have option who can send you friend requests. From here you could go to friend or friends, then tap on save. Now go to the next page where you have all of these options. If you want to edit this, you can do that, and again head towards the next page, and here we have an option for the search engine as well. So here you could do, or you could set the settings back to default. Now you could also clear your activity log. If you go back and head towards your activity log, for that scroll down and now you could go to activity log, and here you can also clear your activity from your Facebook. You can remove your likes, comments and posts. You can delete the search history, review and tag. So here you could manually delete or limit visibility for the items that you want to reset. Now the other option is to create a complete new account. If you want to restart fresh, you could simply delete your account and then create a new account with the fresh settings. So that is the another way. Since Facebook does not offer a one-click reset option, you must manually review and change the settings as mentioned earlier. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.